How to use Thinkdiag2 for DoIP cars. Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel, your ultimate hub for automobile diagnostic tools and programmers. Smash that subscribe button, hit the bell, and show some love with a super thanks. Yes, it is possible to use the Thinkdiag2 with the DoIP, Diagnostics over Internet Protocol, but it requires a specific setup. Here's what you need to know. Thinkdiag2 and DoIP protocol. Thinkdiag2 is very similar to the Launch DBScar VII, and both support CAN FD and DoIP protocols. Thinkdiag2 has its own software, Thinkdiag+, for both iOS and Android, using Bluetooth for connection. While there's a misconception that Thinkdiag2 doesn't support the DoIP protocol for fast reading on Volvo SPA models, this is not true. The solution. To enable the DoIP protocol on Thinkdiag2, you need to use a special DoIP adapter, DoIP Connect cable, which is the same cable used for DBScar VII. Without this adapter, the DoIP connection will not function properly. Key steps. 1. Check compatibility. Ensure you have a Thinkdiag2 device that supports the CAN FD and DoIP protocols. 2. DoIP adapter. Acquire the Launch DoIP adapter or DoIP Connect cable, which is the same as the one used for the DBScar VII. 3. Connection setup. Connect your Thinkdiag2 device using the DoIP adapter to ensure the DoIP communication works properly on vehicles like the Volvo SPA models. 4. Software. Use the Thinkdiag+ software to manage diagnostics and enable the correct protocol. With this setup, your Thinkdiag2 should work with the DoIP protocol for faster diagnostics on compatible vehicles. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed the video, give it a thumbs up, leave a comment, subscribe, and hit that super thanks button. Until next time, happy diagnosing.